Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. All right. For example, here I have here one product. So we'll look at it. Say, for example, I wanted to add reviews right here at the very bottom, or right here, or wherever you wanted to put the particular review. So what we're going to do so is just go ahead over back right here to our Shopify admin. Now we're going to want to go to add apps. All right. Click on it. And here, just go ahead over to Shopify App Store. All right, a new page will load. Let's just wait for it. Now, once it loads, we're going to want to go to the search function and type in review. All right, and hit on enter. Now in here, I'm going to use the app called judge.me. Right here, I'm going to click on it and hit on install. Another web page will pop up. Let's just wait for it. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and give the necessary permission. Which is right here, just hit on install. And it says it's onboarding. As you can see, we've just added the judge.me application. So what we're going to do is just set it up, all right? Please select your language, English. Where would you like to install it? My current theme, of course, and start a setup. And here, we're going to want to click on this hyperlink right here. We should enable app embed. All right, click on this hyperlink and it will land you to this page. All right, let's make sure that app embeds right here, judge.me is enabled. And once that's done, just hit on save. Now let's go back to the installation process. As you can see here, it automatically sends us to number 2, which is install widgets. Install review widget, wait for it to load. Click on got it right here. As you can see, it has just been added right here. And here's the what it looks like. All right, I'm just going to hit on save. And we're going to move it later at the end of the video. All right, go back. As you can see, it is installed. Then we're going to want to install star rating if you want to, of course. And that's what we want. All right, wait for it. Review widget added, hit on close. This is right here, it's the widget. All right. I'm going to hit on save. Now I'm going to go back. I was going to ask for the branding, star color, which is optional. Just hit on continue. And as you can see here, last step, we'll start sending review request emails for your new orders automatically. Please confirm the timing below. You can update timings, conditions, and manage your review request, status, and settings later. Just gonna hit on finish and leave it as is. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and import your reviews right here, which is a CSV file. All right. Or just go ahead and explore Judge Me. I'm just gonna wait for it. All right, it's done. Now, when we go back to our online store right here, let's say we wanted to maybe customize or what, or let's just go ahead over to our products directly, as this is where we wanted to see our product reviews. All right, we're going to hit on preview right here, preview on online store. And as you can see here, we have the reviews, and below it, you can basically see it as well. All right, if you want to click on write a review, be the first right here. For example, I'm going to hit on 5-star. Great PC. I love it. All right, you can add a picture of video right here. Enter your name, Ryan, email address, for example, at ryan.com. And I'm going to hit on submit review. And then, as you can see, there'll be a pop-up as well. Now I'm going to refresh the page. As you can see, we have the first review right here. And you can actually manage it by going to your Shopify admin. Refresh this page right here. All right, now we'll go to our apps, Judge Me reviews right here. I'm going to click on it. And then we're going to want to go to manage reviews. And as you can see, you'll be able to see a list of reviews right here. And as you might remember, we just created a review and it is now listed right here. And that's basically how you add reviews to your Shopify store. All right, now if you want to edit the alignment or whether you want to put the particular review, just go ahead and go to your online store and hit on customize. Then in here, just go ahead over to the product itself. All right. And you can just drag and drop these widgets right here. For example, on the top, As you can see, that is on top of the particular text. All right, if you want to, you can go ahead and remove this review right here and just leave this one right here at the top. Or if you want to as well, you can go ahead and remove this one at the top. For example, I'm going to delete this one. As you can see, when we scroll down, we have the reviews right here. All right, and that's basically how you add reviews to your Shopify store. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.